everyone. Welcome back to another Google Search Console tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to monitor your website's SEO using Google Search Console. This free tool from Google helps you track your website's performance, identify SEO issues, and improve your visibility in Google Search. First, log into your Google Search Console account and select your website. The dashboard gives you an overview of your site's performance, indexing status, and overall health. Start by clicking on the Performance report. Here you can see important SEO metrics such as total clicks, total impressions, average click-through rate, and average position. These metrics help you understand how your website performs in Google Search over different time periods. Next, scroll down to view the queries report. This shows the search terms people use to find your website. You can identify high-performing keywords, discover new keyword opportunities, and optimize your content based on real search data. You can also switch to the Pages tab to see which pages receive the most traffic from Google Search, if some.